Reserving a seat at a cafe.
Good afternoon. I would like to reserve a table, please.
Good afternoon. I will be happy to help you.
Thank you. I would like a table for later today.
Of course. What time would you like to come?
Around 6:30 this evening.
Let me check our table schedule.
Sure, I can wait.
Thank you for waiting. We have a table available at 6:30 p.m.
That is great news.
How many people will be coming?
There will be 4 of us.
A table for 4 is available.
Perfect. I would like to reserve that table.
May I have your name, please?
My name is Jackson.
Thank you, Jackson. May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555-2486.
Thank you. I have written it down.
Is the table near the window?
Yes, we have a nice window table available.
That sounds wonderful.
Would you like the window table?
Yes, please. My friends will enjoy the view.
Great! I have reserved the window table for you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Will you be celebrating anything special?
Yes, we are celebrating my friend's new job.
That is wonderful. Congratulations to your friend.
Thank you. We are all very happy.
We hope you have a nice celebration here.
I am sure we will.
Please arrive a few minutes before your reservation time.
How early should we come?
About 10 minutes early is perfect.
That is easy. We will be on time.
Thank you. We keep reserved tables for 15 minutes.
I understand. We will not be late.
If you are delayed, please give us a call.
I will. Thank you for letting me know.
We always try to make reservations simple.
I really appreciate that.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Can we order food after we arrive?
Yes, of course. You can order from our full menu.
That sounds perfect.
Your reservation is confirmed for today at 6:30 p.m. for 4 people.
Excellent. Thank you for your kind help.
It is my pleasure. We look forward to seeing you this evening.
We are looking forward to it too.
Have a wonderful day and see you later. Booking a dentist appointment.
Hello. I would like to book a dentist appointment, please.
Good morning. Thank you for calling the dental clinic. How can I help you today?
I have a toothache and I want to see the dentist soon.
I am sorry to hear that. May I have your name, please?
My name is Jackson.
Thank you, Jackson. Please give me a moment while I check the schedule.
Sure, I can wait.
Thank you for waiting. We have an opening on Monday morning.
What time is the appointment?
The appointment is at 9:30 a.m.
That sounds good. Is there any time in the afternoon?
Yes, we also have a 2 p.m. appointment.
I think 2 p.m. is better for me.
Great. I can book you for Monday at 2 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. May I have your phone number?
Yes, it is 555-3819.
Thank you. I have written it down.
Do I need to bring anything?
Please bring your ID card and your health insurance card if you have one.
I have both. I will bring them.
Wonderful. Please arrive about 15 minutes early.
Why should I come early?
You will need to fill out a short form before your appointment.
That is easy. I will be there early.
Thank you. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this will be my first visit.
No problem. We will help you with everything.
That makes me feel better.
Are you having a lot of pain now?
Yes, my tooth hurts when I eat and drink.
I understand. The dentist will check your tooth carefully.
I hope it is not a big problem.
Do not worry, the dentist will explain everything after the examination.
Thank you. That is good to know.
If your pain gets worse before Monday, please call us again.
I will. Thank you for your advice.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I think that is everything.
Your appointment is on Monday at 2 p.m. Please arrive 15 minutes early.
I have written it in my notebook.
Perfect. We look forward to seeing you.
Thank you for your kind help.
You are very welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Visiting a flower shop.
Good afternoon. I would like to buy some flowers, please.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our flower shop. How can I help you today?
I need flowers for a special occasion.
That sounds lovely. What is the special occasion?
It is my mother's birthday tomorrow.
That is wonderful. I am sure she will love fresh flowers.
I hope so. I do not know which flowers to choose.
Do not worry. I can help you find a beautiful bouquet.
Thank you. That would be great.
These roses are very fresh. They are one of our most popular flowers.
They look beautiful. What other flowers do you have?
We also have lilies, tulips, sunflowers, and carnations today.
I like the tulips. They have nice colors.
Yes, they are fresh and smell wonderful.
Can you make a bouquet with roses and tulips?
Of course, they look very nice together.
That sounds perfect.
Would you like red roses or pink roses?
I think pink roses are a better choice.
Great choice. Pink roses look soft and elegant.
How many flowers are in the bouquet?
I can make one with 12 flowers.
That is a good size.
Would you like me to add some green leaves?
Yes, please. I think they make the bouquet look better.
I agree. It will look fresh and beautiful.
Can you also add a small birthday card?
Yes, you can write your own message on it.
Thank you. I will write something special.
Would you like colorful wrapping paper?
Yes, please. My mother likes bright colors.
Wonderful. I will use pink and white wrapping paper with a nice ribbon.
That will look amazing.
I think your mother will have a big smile.
I hope so. She always loves flowers.
Your bouquet is ready now. Please have a look.
Wow, it looks beautiful. I really like it.
I am happy to hear that.
How much is the bouquet?
The total is $25.
Here is the money. Thank you for your help.
Thank you very much. I hope your mother has a wonderful birthday.
I am sure she will. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the celebration.
Exchanging a shirt. Good afternoon. I would like to exchange this shirt, please.
Good afternoon. Of course. May I ask what the problem is?
The shirt is too small for me.
I understand. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check it for you.
Sure, take your time.
Thank you for waiting. The receipt is valid.
That is good to hear.
Our exchange policy allows you to exchange the shirt within 30 days.
Great. I bought it only 3 days ago.
Perfect. The shirt is also in good condition.
Yes, I only tried it on once.
What size would you like instead?
I need a large instead of a medium.
Let me check if we have that size.
Thank you. I hope it is available.
Good news. We have the same shirt in a large.
That is wonderful.
Would you like to try it on before you exchange it?
Yes, please. I want to make sure it fits.
The fitting room is right over there.
Thank you. I will be back in a moment.
No problem. I will wait here.
I tried it on. The large size fits me very well.
That is great. I'm happy it fits.
Me too. It feels much more comfortable.
Would you like to exchange it for this one?
Yes, please.
There is no extra charge because the price is the same.
That makes the exchange easy.
Yes, we like to keep it simple for our customers.
I really appreciate that.
I will finish the exchange now.
Thank you very much.
Here is your new receipt.
Should I keep this receipt?
Yes, please keep it in case you need it later.
I will keep it safe.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is everything. Thank you for your excellent service.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your new shirt.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.